Interest rates have gone up just a bit, to almost 8%. What did our market do in Northern Nevada? Let's check it out. Median sales price went up to $575 for the month of October. In the past 5 months, we've kind of been jiggling around right at that $570, $575. We started back in June at $575. Here we are for October sales, $575 for median sales price. Days to contract went up just a little bit more. Our least number of days was back in April of 2023, 12 days. Now, and interest rates were probably at about 6%. I'm guessing, but I'm thinking right around there. Now, interest rates are hovering right around 8. It's taken 31 days to get a property under contract. The days to contract by price range. The red is October. So you can see in the 400 to 500 went down just a couple days to get into contract to 18 days. But look at the 600 to 750, 43 days, double the amount of days. So I'm wondering if people are looking at the interest rates, looking at the price of the homes, maybe they're stepping back and going into the $500,000 homes. Sales, new listings, and our inventory for the month of October. Inventory is the gray. We went down just a little bit, about 19 homes from 840 in September to 821. We had 340 homes sold and people got to get into, hopefully, their new home. Active inventory by price range, again, October is the red. So you can see we have 144 homes listed in the available for your purchase from the 600 to 750. If you are looking at the million and a half, we have quite a few to choose from, don't we? 120 to 136. You're looking at about 100 or 260 homes that you can choose from if you want to go and get into that price range. Months of inventory for the last 13 months. March, we had about 1.5 months of inventory. We just went up just a 1/10 of a month to 2.4. So almost 2.5 months before that we would have, if no other homes came on the market and we sold them all, it would take us a little over almost 2.5 months. Months of inventory by price range. Again, October is the red. We've kind of fluctuated around a bit. The 400 to 500 rose just 1/10. The 500 to 600 went down. Look at the $500,000 to 1.5 million, almost 7 months of inventory. People are stopping and thinking, okay, if the interest rates are 8, 7 3/4, what am my monthly payment going to look like? Maybe I should go back down and maybe move down to the 750 to $1 million. Beautiful homes still, and a little less house payment. Pending sales by month, you can look at October of 22, pending sales were 359. For October of this year, 335. We still have people looking for homes, wanting to make a move. So if you know anybody, please give me a call. Thought this was quite interesting. I've heard people thinking, I'm just gonna wait. There's gonna be a crash. Well, maybe beginning of the year, we kind of were real low, but do you remember what 2023's weather was like for winter? One of the best winters we've had for snow. So I'm thinking if we're just following what's going on each month. Yeah, interest rates are hurting us a little bit, but at the time of this filming, interest rates across the nation are about 7.75. So there's hope that it may go down. Pending sales. These are the people that got to buy it, get into new homes this month. Red is October, so you can see most of them are down, with the exception, look at the 500 to almost 600. 80 people were able to get into homes in that price range. Over there at the million, yep, there's double thinking. That interest rate might just be too much for me to be able to buy that $1 million home. If you are enjoying this, would you please hit the like button? Hey, and then tell your friends that I provide pretty good information for you each month. Let's get into the Reno area. Median sales price was $600,000. It was down just a little bit. Active inventory over 550 homes in just the Reno area. Median days contract took 30 days to get an accepted offer, and 253 home buyers got to buy in, or investors got to get into a new place. Over in Sparks, our median sales price went down almost 2% to $520,000. 265 homes in Sparks are on the market, all price ranges. We had 87 people or investors be able to get into a new place, and days to contract is 31 days. Fernley, mark my words, in the next year to 2 years, we are going to start seeing Fernley grow. You've probably heard of someone buying a ton of land out there. They're thinking that they're going to be using that kind of like the same idea that Trid did when they started growing. So if you're thinking maybe I need to be out of town, get into Fernley now. Who knows, you might be able to get an investment property or two, and then when that growth starts going, you'll be sitting pretty. Median sales price $389. Days to contract right now, 40 days. And isn't that a way to get into a house? Maybe we can figure something out. Active inventory, there's 91 homes on the market in Fernley. Carson City, our capital, median sales price went up to $585. If you remember in Sparks, it was $520 for a median sales price. Did some calculating. The median sales price per square foot went down $3 from September to October. So I'm thinking about 420 square feet homes were being sold. So bigger homes were being sold, and that's why the median sales price went up to the $585. It's just a thought, but Carson City looks like they have some nice big homes coming on the market. Driving down to Minden, Gardnerville, we know that they have beautiful homes down there and big spaces, right? $627,500 is the median sales price. Price per square foot, $339. Takes about 47 days for a house to get on the market. We're going to come back into the Reno Sparks area and look at condos. Median sales price went down over 5% to $315. There's 191 units available. Takes about 30 days to get into contract. Some sellers are going, that might take too long, and if you're interested in something like that, let's look to see how long they've been on market. If the condo fits all of the check marks that you have, we may be able to get it a little bit less expensive. This is my 4th year having a pie social for Thanksgiving. Can you believe we're already at that time of the year? November 20th at my office. I would love to have you come over. If you're thinking about buying a home or selling a home and you think maybe Caroline's the one that could do it, why don't you meet me in person? Come over to my social on Monday the 20th. And we can talk for a couple minutes. You can meet some of my past clients, talk to them how I treated them and what they liked about me. It would be a great opportunity for us to meet, you to meet some more great people in the area. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving and make it something time for you as well. Take that time to sit back and just think for a few minutes. And don't make any plans, just plan on focusing on yourself. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Talk to you next month.